Welcome back for a pretty substantial update on the trailer. I did tape it off, and I did repaint all of the black on the trailer. I was getting pretty sick and tired of how just shabby it looked in the photos. I painted all of the handle here. Give it a nice black stripe, so I just basically painted top to bottom all in black, painted all the way around the handle so that it looks a heck of a lot better. I still have the plastic to paint, still have a few things to clean up. Countertop's still doing its jam and its business. So this is the most substantial update. We have built a ramp. It's pretty sturdy. It's made out of furniture grade select pine, inch and 7/8, and then it is glued and screwed heavily to the plywood. So it is square, it is very strong. Obviously the bike made it in one piece. I'm sure you've noticed already that I've splurged and spent some of that big YouTube money I'm making. Bought some bungee cords for things, so things are a little bit more secured. I did get the bike in the trailer. Bottomed it out, which again, I'm not upset about. That runner, I can replace in minutes. I could overlay it. I could do whatever I want. I carry the race ramps on me pretty much all the time, so I actually use those when I was rolling the bike up as like a standing platform to kind of guide it up, because as you can tell, the clearance here was only a couple of inches once the bike got up in. It is just chilling on its kickstand, which does go underneath the tire rack. The clearance in here is incredibly tight. This desk, which I thought would have ample amounts of space, is like half an inch, which is pretty hilarious. But a fit is a fit, and I don't think too many bikes are going to have bigger front tires than this that I will own or need to move. So it does fit quite well. I do have all of the tie down points. I have one on either front corner, one on the back. Bikes traditionally, have about 3 straps on them. One on either side of the forks at the front and one across the back. So that's what I will be doing, as well as you can see I've got the chalk kind of up there doing its business too. I'm not a bike moving expert or a transportation expert, but I think this is going to do what I need it to do. I apologize for the sounds. Kids are out here playing and having a good time today. So I am going to have to crank the front of the trailer up and drop the back and angle it a little bit to make my entrance and exit a little bit easier. And then, as you can see with the strap here, I've actually just hooked it to either side of the jacks, which are fastened to the trailer, and I'm running the strap through there so that the ramp could never kick out. So this is going to double as a few things. One, you see it works very well as a ramp, but number two, if I grab this bucket, we pick up the ramp here. Check this out. So this actually was not my idea. It's not my idea, but it does work quite well. We now have a bench that can seat 3 to 4 full-sized adults quite comfortably. Obviously for car meets or whatever, and because it's still strapped to the trailer, it's not going anywhere. It's actually nice and secure. This was not my idea either. This was Jeremy's idea. But you just gotta keep being creative, and if I'm gonna carry the ramp around, I might as well get more use out of it than just loading and unloading the trailer or just setting it aside. So that's that. It's pretty substantial updates. I'm not gonna attempt to get the bike out of the trailer without dying. This might be a 2-man job for a while till I get a little more comfortable with it. So stay tuned for updates. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.